Now, moving on to the seventh milestone before reaching the stop. So, for example, this is a very crucial thing that we talk about the program. So, this is, we are calling it a zero risk maximum return program. By you will invest 12,000 in your answer writing skill, and if you bring a friend with you, because this program has a buddy group system जहाँ पे अगर आप एक और friend को लेके आ जाओ तो हर एक student को 1,000 off हो जाएगा. However, we are making a very tall claim because we are very confident that this process will work. We are giving the students 100% money back guarantee. What does that mean? There are a few conditions. You have to attend 80% of classes and you have to submit 80% of assignments. After that, if you feel that you are not satisfied with the progress that you have registered, you will be given 100% money back, no questions asked. Right? So we want a promise from you also that you will participate in the program with your full heart. And we are promising that if you think after even participating by the full heart, and even if you're not improving, then that this means कि ये program बेकार है. अगर आपने पूरा effort किया और improvement नहीं हो, मतलब ये program बेकार है, आपको उसको पैसे नहीं देने चाहिए. We will give you 100% money back. Right? So with this, I would like to encourage you to not waste this November-December time because it's very crucial. And you can use this time for your launching the preparation for mains. Right. So if you want to reach now, remembering Abhijit and Shreya who were in the start, so they were also very confused in the start. कि यार ये कैसे है, ये नया नया बात कर रहे हैं, क्या है ये डेलिब्रेट प्रैक्टिस क्या होता है, डिसिप्लिन से क्या होगा जब मुझे समझ में नहीं आएगा. तो ये कंफ्यूजन को होता था. राइट. आपने स्टार्ट में एक ड्राइंग बनाई थी जहाँ पे आपने आंख बंद करके ड्राइंग बनाया और आंख खोल के ड्राइंग बनाई. राइट. मेनी पीपल दे आर ड्राइंग आंख बंद करके. अभी फोमो होता है, फियर ऑफ मिसिंग आउट. मैं गया, मैंने मार्केट में देखा ब्लाइंडली बिकॉज अदर पीपल आर फॉलोइंग दिस. आई विल गो टू दिस कोचिंग, आई विल डू दिस. You open your eyes, make logical judgments. We have shared enough information with you on the website also. We will be sharing the website on the group. We will also be sharing the brochure. You make your judgment and take a very informed decision. Because we believe this mains mountain is not unbeatable. With the right guidance, which will show you the right path, the only promise that we require from you is that you have to be dedicated to work with us. And we are very confident that if you work with us for 3 months, you will definitely transform a mains answer writing program. And this will show in the confidence that you will enter in February when you are preparing for prelims. That confidence in the meditation practices, the discipline practices, this will definitely improve your performance in prelims also. And when the prelims time come, you can join the prelims program also. That will again have the same philosophy that we have in this program. So 3rd November, our first workshop of the first week will happen. Okay. So first week, we will have workshops. Then next week, we will have the same plan: Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, answer writing. Thursday, session in which you will get to know about the insights, about the templates, about the specific best practices of your peers. Friday, you will have time to revise the questions. For example, in 3-4 days, you would have written for 20 questions and 15 से 20 कुछ आप brainstorm करेंगे. 35 to 40 questions you will write in a week. उन्हीं 45 क्वेश्चन में से 5 या 10 क्वेश्चन इंस्पायर्ड तरीके से टेस्ट में पूछेंगे सैटरडे में. सो वी विल गिव यू टाइम फॉर रिवीजन ऑन फ्राइडे एंड देन ऑन सैटरडे यू कैन राइट टेस्ट. Sunday we will have a meditation session. In the evening also in general we will have a meditation session that you can join. So I hope you had got the idea. आपको कोई क्वेरी है you can reach out to us. हमने आपको मेंटर सर के कॉन्टैक्ट नंबर से रीच आउट भी किया था. आप फिर से वहाँ पे रीच आउट कर सकते हैं. आप मेंटर सर के टेलीग्राम आईडी पे भी बात कर सकते हैं. एंड आप आई वॉन्ट आप एक ऐसा डिसीजन लें जो आप 3 मंथ के बाद यू शुड बी प्राउड ऑफ योर डिसीजन. राइट. इट कैन बी ईदर वे. यू कैन ज्वाइन और यू कैन नॉट ज्वाइन. ठीक है. वंस यू ज्वाइन वी हैव फुल ट्रस्ट इन यू एंड वी टेक you in with full hearts. Everybody is very important for us. Even whether you are with your uncle who is in hospital and you are not able to study, then we will take care of you in that manner also. And whether you are someone who is fully dedicated, whether you are someone who is working and don't have time, we will give flexible assignments to you. Because once you are with us, you are with us 100%. We give you 100% and we expect 100% from you.